Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to instantly transform any photo into a hyper-realistic stone statue character using Gemini's brand new tools powered by Nanon Banana. It's super easy and you can do it in just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini in your browser and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account. Once you're inside, just tap on tools icon, this one, just tap on it and then choose create images. This one. This is Google's newest feature that lets you instantly edit photos just by tapping a prompt. No advanced editing skills required. Next, just upload the photo of your character. This could be any portrait, cosplay pictures, or character designs you already have. Or even you can upload a photo of yourself. Just tap on the plus button and then upload files. For example like this. Now here's come the magic. In the prompt box, just type a prompt like this. For example like this, but feel free, you can also write a prompt as you like, just tweak as you need, and then just tap on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few seconds, your photo just transformed into a hyper-realistic statue like this. It looks like a real monument standing in the middle of the city square. And honestly, it's super cool. And okay, that's it. You have just turned a simple photo into a stunning stone statue masterpiece using Gemini and Nanon Banana. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!